This is the official flip cover with the S Pen for the Samsung Z Fold3 5G. Let's unbox it. Got the cover here and the S Pen. Let's see what else. It comes with the cover. I think this is the S Pen tip removal tools, plus 3 additional tip that's included, just in case, you know, the one that come with the pen worn out, you have 3 additional tip to replace it with. Put those aside, and instruction booklet. Z Fold official S Pen, and there is a button right here on the side. The case have a slot where you could store the pen. In the back, there's a cutout for the triple camera, Samsung logo. On the bottom is the cutout for the charging port, microphone. On the side, cutout for the up and down volume button and the power fingerprints button on the side here. On the top, microphone cutout. And the case seems like it's made out of some type of leather material. Very durable, high quality. Let's fit the Z Fold3 on, see how it fits. Wow, looks really nice. Got the cutout there for the camera. On the side, you can see the cutout for the volume button up and down, and the fingerprint sensor button. The front cover is not magnetized, so it just flop like that in and out. I don't like this already because, you know, if you accidentally drop your phone and the cover flips out, your screen gonna break. Look at that. It just flip out like that automatically. See? That's what I don't like. It should be magnetized so it stays in place. And on the bottom here, charging port cut out, microphone. Let's test out the S Pen. I don't think the button on this S Pen does anything because it's not Bluetooth. If you want more functionality, then you probably want to get the S Pen Pro. But the thing is, it won't fit into the slot. The S Pen Pro is probably like almost twice as big as this one, so it's not going to fit onto the case slot here. You're going to have to keep it separate somewhere in your pocket. So let's see how this works. Yeah, to launch, the button works for launching the menu, but I think that's all it does. It doesn't do anything else. It's very accurate for writing. Yeah, that's really nice. But the only downfall to it, it's not Bluetooth. That's the only thing. But, you know, for a day-to-day thing, if you don't really use the S Pen to launch your camera and do all this other extra feature, just for taking note, it'll be just fine. If you guys have any questions, any comment with the Z Fold3 cover with the S Pen, or if you have one, I would love to hear from you what you think of it. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching my videos. See you guys next time.